So we're at our cafe stop, just a mere 20 kilometres in. Just got a 40k ride today, which is quite nice because it is cold. And imagine, you know what, my legs feel sore. Not sore, but just heavy. Like I can't push as much as I want. But look, I mean, that view's pretty nice, isn't it? So let's go in, get a little brew. We have ridden 20k. Might have to get some food actually. Yeah, I'm here on the Cannondale. We'll set up there. So we're at our accommodation and it's cold. It is beautiful. Like, look at this. I do love the Lake District. It's so pretty, but it's so cold. And I've got to be honest. So I was going to sit down, but it looks a little bit frosty. I just feel really like exhausted. I don't know why. My legs just, when we ride, I just don't feel like I could like ride how I would normally ride. I just feel a bit tired. I've not been sleeping. Last few nights I've not had a very good night's kip, so I'm gonna go back, eat a load of rice, a load of potatoes, some dal, and then hopefully I will feel better. I want to go and get inside because it is freezing, but I just want to show you the view. So that is the view. Toby, Mr. Cold Dark North, is going to come and say a quick hello. So look at this view. Look how nice that is. I mean, oh, that is some nice water. Look at him running. Oh God, he thinks I'm filming him. Not me. He's like, who's this peeping Tom filming me running? Hi.
What have you done with this bike?
It's perfect.
It's lovely until you do that to it.
Sorry, Darren, were you getting changed? Sorry.
Hang on.
It's perfect, look. Perfect one.
Hold
on, not himself.
It's not perfect.
My t-shirt's in there.
Is it? Mm-hmm. Which one you got? The black one, didn't you?
I did.
Black on black.
Yeah.
Have you decided which hill you're getting yet?
I don't know. I'll get one.
What?
Because I feel like I need to explain what it is.
Yeah. Sorry. So we're doing personalised t-shirts for anyone, for any hill in the. It has to be in the UK. You don't have to be fast up it. You don't actually even have to have ridden it. But we're only doing one t-shirt for every hill. So everyone who orders one is the king or queen of that hill. So we've sold quite a few of the Northwest. We got rid of a fair few in that London.
Did you get Rashy? Is Part Rash gone?
Part Rash has not gone yet.
When I saw that, I was like, even though I love Dovies.
Kirkstone's now closed. We've done the Struggle and Kirkstone Pass. Swains Lane in London has gone.
A hill my arse.
Chris Hill Rise has got the slight incline on the east side of the Regent's Park.
Oh, I saw that. Yeah, I saw that.
But I'm not doing Box Hill because it's not a hill.
It's not a hill.
It's not a hill.
Actually, I'll put the link and stuff.
Oh yeah, there isn't one really. Just come and chat with me. Come and chat with me.
Come check it out on Instagram. Hi. Hi. You'll know Toby from when we did Land's End and Boats.
Yeah, Ride Across Britain. My blog's just gone live with Jam today.
I will.
There you go. There's a link. You can link to that. There you go.
So.
There you go. Look at that. Everyone's got one.
Come on, Darius, have a look.
Everyone's got one. If you're one of Katie's viewers and you haven't got one, then why haven't you got one?
My t-shirts. I don't have one on. I've got my kit on, but I do have one in my bag.
Although you're still representing Rab.
I've still got Ride Across Britain.
Isn't that for being your most improved human or whatever it was you got?
I won this hat for being the perkiest rider.
Sorry,
but that was on the day that I had a nap.
I thought you had a good time.
I have, but on the day I did have a nap in the field. That's the day I won it. I'd had a nap in the field for a few hours. I was just efficient. I just had a good old nap and then Audax style.
Nice.
So yeah.
Nice. That's 7 or 8 quid each.
Oh, but look at that.
Yeah, they weren't actually anything.
We're in the Cold Dark North. You can keep your fancy switchbacks, bifocals and budget flights. Exactly my thoughts. That's completely plug in, just Cold Dark North. This whole thing. Thank you.
Bye.
Farewell, y'all. Thanks for coming.
Yeah, woo! And to you.
So we've got a dinner being made. And Les apparently makes this amazing dal, and this is what it is. It's packed all this. How many people has he brought it for?
45.
45 people. There's just loads of it frozen. He's doing it now. And look at this.
Yeah,
No, he's not done it.
Just
a whole lot of dough.
Oh yes, she's.
okay, yeah.
So before I came on this trip, all I've been told a million times by everyone that's come on before is like how amazing this doll is. It is the stuff of legend. So tell us about the doll, Les. What's the secret to the doll? Why has it become this
The
like?
secret of the doll, if I told you, I'd have to kill you.
You made it. How long did it take you to make?
A week.
And how much of it in your freezer?
How much
Was your freezer full of it?
Actually, because it's been that cold, I was able to put some outside. See that? I bought that box and I froze batches, and then once they were frozen, I put that outside
Just left it.
and left it, and it stayed frozen a
Perfect.
fucking week. Ooh, the little garnish. You've got coriander, share between the two lodges.
Okay.
So it's half and half, and then
It's not, if you come one lodge at a time, it just gives you a handful of coriander just
One
to
of
take
them.
in your hand. That's why it was better. That's in the
right,
bag.
sorry. Do you want me to do it that way?
Yeah,
then?
you've got to do it just like
Okay.
raw in the
One of them.
hand.
You got it.
You got it? Then give me that back and I'll do this again. Do you know what? This acting lark is fucking horrible, isn't it? Right. What is it we say? Nothing's too good for the workers.
Before you was like, yeah, like, there's your lot and there's your lot.
There you go. There's some coriander there. You know what to do? Right at the very end. Jizz it up.
Chuck it in.
All yours.
What?
Jizz it up. Jizz that dial up. Yeah.
This is it.
It truly is a remarkable experience. I know from the people that are in and around the Manchester chapter that we consider this to be one of the best weekends of the year. So please enjoy it. And the key to enjoying it is going to be to keep things simple. Don't overcomplicate things. Riding a bike is easy. So just enjoy it as much as you can.